Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you guys the basics of if statements and how to create them in Python. So let's get started. If you guys don't know what if statements are basically conditionals, and conditionals are programming language commands for handling decisions. Conditional statements are either true conditionals or false conditionals. A conditional is a false conditional when the hypothesis is true and the conclusion is false. So let's get an example up. So let's just make two variables, x equals 1 and y equals 2. And let's create an if statement. That's how you type it. And let's say if we type in x equals y, for example. And basically, if it does, if statement will check if it equals true. And if basically x, which equals 1, equals y. And if it does, it can do whatever it wants inside the if statement. So let's type in print the x value is the same as the y value. And say if, well, what if it doesn't, what if they're not the same value? Well, that's why we're going to type in else. If x doesn't equal y, then it will print, basically x is not the same value as y. But however, you could be more specific. You can do else if. That's how you do else if, and you can basically put in brackets, say x is less than or equals to y. You can maybe say x is smaller than y. And yeah, you can play around with if statements. They're very useful, extremely useful, and they're going to be crucial, especially like once you get into more complex coding, you're going to need it a lot.